Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the crude oil futures chart. As you can see here, for the final trading session of the week, we have rallied ever so slightly. We're currently trading at $45.39 a barrel. We started the day at roughly $45 a barrel. $45 has held as a nice little support here. However, going into the new week, that's Monday of course, I do expect us to roll over a little bit and give some back. You know, we've extended quite a lot this week. We started the week at roughly $41.50 a barrel, and we did peak all the way up at just under $47 at $46.74 a barrel. So we've had a tremendous week here for the crude oil bulls, and of course, as a result of that, the RSI now indicates that we are in the overbought territory. So I think it makes sense. Short term, we do pull back, we give some back, we find a nice supportive area here in this crude oil markets, which could be where we found resistance before at that $43 a barrel price, and that's where I currently have my take profit. Don't forget, I'm a seller of this market in the short term, targeting down towards $43 a barrel, with my stop loss up at around $47 a barrel. So I am a short-term seller, but medium to long term, I'm looking to buy crude oil. You know, any significant dip that occurs in this market, I will be buying it. I think from a fundamental perspective, it makes sense. You know, there's now vaccines coming, and don't forget, the market's always one step ahead. So you know, all these big hedge funds and banks and managed money firms, they're looking, you know, in 12 to 24 months time, where, you know, what's the demand going to look like for crude oil. We're not looking at what it's going to look like next week. You know, they're always a year or 2 years ahead, and you know, I see a significant demand increase for crude oil going into the new year. So I'm a short-term seller. $43 is my target next Monday, looking for a pullback so we can make the RSI look a little bit more healthier. And then of course, going into the end of next week, I'm looking to see for a bounce, and we trade back up towards $49 that $49 a barrel to $50 a barrel in the medium to longer term picture.